Morning and assalamu alaikum to all dear students. I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. I'm your teacher, Ms. Mavia Amir. I take mathematics in class 1. Today, date is 11 August 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Chapter number 1, number 2, 10. And today's our topic is comparing and ordering number. Today our resources are textbook page number 8, 9, 10, 11 and workbook pages 8, 9, 10 and 11 plus real objects. Before I start our lesson, I share lesson object with you. After explanation, you will be able to comparing and ordering the numbers. Okay, now converts the topic. Today our topic is comparing and ordering. Firstly, here are the keywords. More means a lot. Less means fewer or less. Fewer, many, less than, greater than. Okay. So my dear students, what is comparing? Firstly, we talk about the comparing. How we compare the number, how we compare the object. You know that? Okay, I'm telling you how we compare the number. If you have two number, suppose you have the number 10 and number 20. How we compare it? Yes, first one 10 and 20. The first 10 number is the smaller number and 20 number is the greater number. Yes, we compare it. How we compare? 10 is the smaller number, 20 is the greater number. Another example, 9 and 4. Which one is a smaller? Yes, 4 is a smaller and 9 is a greater number. Okay. Now I show the markers. Then you identify. Look at these markers. These are the same. We compare these markers. No, we do not compare it. Why? Because these are the same markers. We do not compare the same things. Okay? Okay, I show the another marker. Okay, now they have also two markers. Now tell me, we compare these markers? Yes, we compare these marker because this is a black marker and this one is a blue marker. Okay, we compare the books, we compare the colors. Okay, I have two books. I show you. I have two books. First one is the math book and I have the second book is blue book. How we compare them? We compare through the colors, we compare through the length and height. So firstly we compare this is an orange book and this one is a blue book. This is a greater or is larger, this is a smaller. Okay. Now convert the pages. Workbook pages 8, 9, 10 and 11. If you have workbook, so you can solve these pages on your workbook. If you have no workbook, so you can solve, you print out these pages and solve it. Okay. Firstly, you mention the date and day. Okay, come to the workbook page number 8. The question number 1 is fill in the blanks with more, fewer and as many. Look at the picture. Question number A, look at the picture. How many monkeys are there? Firstly count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 monkeys. And how many bananas are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bananas and 7 monkeys. So what we can find? There are dash monkeys than banana. So there are fewer monkeys than bananas, because monkeys are 7 and bananas are 8. Now come to the second question. Firstly, you count how many squared are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squared. And how many nuts? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 squares and 6 nuts. So there are more nuts than squared. Same as the question number C. You can count the cats and the fishes. So how many cats are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many fishes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both are the same. So what we can do? There are many cats as fish. Many means equal. There are as many cats as fish. Okay. Now come to the page number 9. Mention your name, class and date. Worksheet 2B. The question number 1 is color the frog with the greater number. You have to color the greater number. 7 and 2. Which one is the greater? Yes, 7 is the greater number. So color the greater number. Okay. Now come question number 2. Color the bear with the smaller number. Question number A is 9 and 6. Which is the smaller? Yes, 6 is the smaller. Both are the same pattern. You do yourself. Okay. Now question number 3 is color the parts with number greater than 5. Which number is greater than 5? 4 is 4? No, 4 is smaller than 5. So 6, 10, 8, 7, 9. These numbers are greater than 5. So you can color the all numbers which are greater than 5. Okay. Now convert the page number 10. Workbook page number 10. Circle the greater number. Question number A. There are 2 kids and there are 3 number are given. 4, 2 and. Circle the greatest number. 4, 2 and 8. Which is the greatest? Yes, number 8. 8 is the greatest. Question number B, C and D you can solve yourself. Now question number 5. Circle the smallest number. Question number A is 5, 4 and 1. There are 3 number are given. 5, 4 and 1. Which is the smallest? Yes, number 1 is the smallest. Now question number B. 7, 3 and 8. Which is the smallest number? 7 is the smallest? No. 8 is the smallest? No. So 3 is the smallest number. Very good. Question number C and D you can solve yourself. Now question number 6. Arrange the number in order. Start from the smallest. Okay, firstly I share the topic again, comparing and ordering. Now we talk about the ordering. Ordering means we write down the numbers in the order form. How we write the numbers in order form? Suppose, look at the board. We have a number 6, 8, 10 and 5. Okay, we have the number 6, 8, 10 and 5. So we arrange the number in the order form. How we write? We start from the smallest number. We write it 5, 6, 8 and 10. We write in the order form. 5, 6, 8 and 10. Okay. Now question number 6. Arrange the number in order and start with the smallest number. You have the 3 numbers 10, 3 and 7. Okay, what you can do, you can start from the smallest number. Write down the 3, then 7 and 10. The same question you can solve, start from the greatest, smallest to the greatest. Okay, now convert the page number 11. Question number 7. Arrange the number in order. Start from the greatest. Okay, this one. So the number is 5, 8 and 9. You can start from the greatest number. Firstly, you write in this box the greatest number. Which number is the greatest? Yes, 9 is the greatest. 9, 8 and 5. Okay. Question number B, you can solve yourself. Now question number 8. Compare the following number using the number line below. Okay. Again, compare the following number using the number line below. We have the numbers 4, 8, 10 and 1. We start from the greatest to the smallest. So 10, 8, 4 and 1. Okay. Question number 9. Write the numbers that come between the numbers shown. Okay. Between means center. Question number A is 5 and 7. Which number is between the 5 and 7? Yes, number 6. 5, 6 and 7. Question number B. 0 and 2. Which number is between the 0 and 2? Yes, 1. 0, 1 and 2. The other question you can solve yourself. Okay. I hope you have understand this lecture. If you have any confusion, so you can ask me. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.